Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be totally different. I've never done something like this before, but I am so excited. I know that you guys noticed by the title of the video that it is a unboxing of the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Apple Watch Series 5. So I'm so excited. I know this is more of a beauty channel, but the reason why I'm super excited about this video and unboxing is because I think it's going to be a great phone for anybody who is looking to upgrade from their current phone or even trying to use their phone or this new phone for making beauty videos, for taking those really gorgeous flat lay photos. And the camera on these new phones are supposed to be incredible, so I'm so excited. I originally have the iPhone 7 Plus, so we are doing a major upgrade. I have my phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold, and my husband, we got him the iPhone 11 Pro in the green, in that forest green. I am not going to unbox the green one because there are already a ton of videos out there of unboxing this one, but I haven't seen too many of the gold one. And we also got the Apple Watches Series 5, so I'm going to be unboxing this as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing this unboxing, then please keep watching. Alright guys, I haven't even taken the plastic off yet. I am so excited. Hopefully this stays in focus pretty well. I did get the 512 gigabyte because my last phone was a 32 gigabyte, so I definitely needed a lot more storage. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So when I actually saw it when we went to go pick up our Apple Watches, and I played with the one that they had in store, and like the cameras they're not like super raised, so you can see that it's not bulky whatsoever. I love the camera on it. It's got a beautiful stainless steel gold, and then the back of the phone is matte. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not gonna go into all of the tech spec because it's everywhere on YouTube, but I also wanted to go ahead and compare the size to the iPhone 7 Plus. So it does look like the iPhone 11 is definitely a little bit thicker than the iPhone 7. Obviously it is a major upgrade for me, so I'm super excited about that. And then it was funny, I was playing with the iPhone 11 and I was trying to go back to the home screen trying to look for the button. So it's definitely going to be a little bit getting used to that. And I will show you, in case you guys haven't seen what is in the box. It is all of the papers that come with Apple, the lightning, what's it called? The lightning charger to speed up the charging, which is super awesome. It does come with the earpods. We ended up upgrading, we ended up going ahead and getting some of the AirPods, which I've already been using, and it makes it super easy at the gym. I love the AirPods. So these will probably just stay in the box and just stay like this because I am not going to be using these. And then the cord that you guys probably have seen in all of the videos. So that is so cool. Super excited. We did end up purchasing on Amazon the wireless charger, so I will leave that linked down in the description box so you guys can check that out. And I also went ahead and purchased the clear case from Spigen. I have used this brand for years, and it is one of the best. I have dropped my iPhone 7 multiple times on the concrete, and I don't have any scratches from using my case. And the only reason why I might have like a little itty bitty scratch somewhere on my phone is because I saw a case that I really liked and I really wanted it, and as soon as I dropped it and I saw a scratch, I went back to my Spigen phone or Spigen case. So I will definitely leave this linked in the description box because it is a great case and it's so much more affordable than the ones that Apple is selling. And we usually like to go with the Tech Armor. By the way, this is not sponsored. These people don't know who I am. But we usually go with the Tech Armor Clear screen protector, but Tech Armor did not have the one for the 11 Pro Max. So I ended up going with this one, and we got the ballistic glass one, and I will let you guys know, or the tempered glass screen protector. I will definitely keep you guys updated on how this works. Okay, I am dying to open up my my Apple Watch. Also, real quick, I will definitely be taking photos with the phone camera and comparing it with other photos that I have taken with my phone from the iPhone 7 Plus. So you guys will see comparison photos from each one. That way you guys can see if you guys do happen to already own the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. It's going to be incredible. It's a major upgrade. If you guys have the iPhone 7 and are wanting to upgrade, I say yes, go for the 11 Pro Max. But as far as how it feels in the hand, it does feel like a good, like the same size, if that makes sense. All right, let's move on to the Apple Watch. So let's open up the Apple Watch. I did end up getting mine in the gold, and I got the aluminum with the white band, which I am super excited about. So let's see. So it looks like it comes with the papers, the charger, and then it's so pretty. So it has the sleeve. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I don't know if you guys can see, this is really cool. Let's see. So it comes with a medium large and the small medium. We had ordered the small medium and it ended up coming with the medium large. So that's really cool. I don't even know if I'm putting this on correctly. Alright guys, so I will definitely have a review up on the watch as well once I get to know it a little bit more. I do exercise 5 times a week, so I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this, so I'm super excited. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go play with my phone and set it all up, and I will have a more in-depth review of all of this. I just really wanted to unbox it for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for photos and videos of the camera. Alright guys, I will talk to you soon.
It's yours to leave.